So now we have to come to the cross, right? Because we cannot talk about rejection correctly without talking about Jesus. Chapter 53, verse 3 says, "He is despised and rejected by men, a man of sorrows and acquainted with grief." Jesus was rejected. He was rejected by his own people. In John chapter 1, verse 11, it says, "He came to his own, and his own did not receive him." He was rejected by religious leaders. He was rejected by crowds. He was rejected by people he healed. He was rejected by people he fed. He was betrayed by Judas, denied by Peter, abandoned by disciples, mocked by soldiers, condemned by leaders, crucified between thieves. Jesus understands rejection, but he did not just experience rejection as a victim. He carried rejection as a savior. On the cross, Jesus entered, right, into the deepest place of human rejection, right? Matthew 27, verse 46, it says, "And about the 9th hour, Jesus cried out with a loud voice, saying, 'Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani?' That is, my God, why have you forsaken me?" And that is the ultimate cry of rejection. My God, why have you forsaken me? Jesus entered forsakenness so we could be brought near. He carried the rejection of sin so we could receive the acceptance of sonship. He was treated as an outsider so we could be brought into the family. He was stripped so we could be clothed in righteousness. He was wounded so we could be healed. He was forsaken so we could be adopted. And this is the gospel. The answer to rejection is not positive thinking. The answer to rejection is not self-confidence. The answer to rejection is not proving everybody wrong. The answer to rejection is the cross of Jesus Christ. Because the cross is where God answered the deepest lie of rejection. The lie says, nobody wants me. The cross says, I came for you. The lie says, I'm not worth loving. And the cross says, I gave my life for you. The lie says, I'm too broken. The cross says, by my stripes you are healed. The lie says, I'm outside, an outsider. The cross says, come near. Ephesians chapter 1, verse 6 says, to the praise of the glory of his grace, by which he made us accepted in the beloved.